Looking to keep your car smelling fresh for weeks on end? In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best long-lasting car air freshener options that truly go the distance. Say goodbye to short-lived scents and hello to lasting freshness. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Hitolza Car Air Freshener. If you're searching for a car air freshener that's not only long-lasting, but also elegant and smartly designed, the Hitolza Car Air Freshener deserves a spot at the top of your list. Inspired by the cascading beauty of Niagara Falls, this air freshener turns your car into a fragrant, relaxing oasis on wheels. Its unique waterfall-inspired design gently releases fragrance in a smooth, continuous flow, creating a soothing, natural atmosphere with every drive. What truly sets the Hitolza apart is its modern smart technology. Equipped with the advanced A8 Pro smart chip, it automatically activates with vehicle vibrations, ensuring your car smells fresh the moment you step inside and shuts off when you leave. This not only saves power, but also optimizes fragrance use, so you get consistent, on-demand freshness without waste. The Hitolza Car Air Freshener also makes use of cutting-edge ultra-fine misting technology. By atomizing the fragrance liquid into 5 micrometers fine particles, it allows the scent to disperse evenly and linger far longer than traditional vent clips or cardboard fresheners. There are no harsh chemicals here, only pure, natural aromas crafted from 100% alcohol-free, non-toxic ingredients that meet strict EPA Safer Choice standards. This makes it a safe option for families, pet owners, and anyone who values a clean, healthy car environment. One of the standout features is its incredible longevity. Each unit comes with 2 essential oil refills, and the built-in counter ensures precision usage by allowing up to 1,200 sprays per refill. Under average driving conditions, these refills can last up to 6 months, making it one of the most durable and cost-effective choices in the market. Number 2. Ceeniu Car Air Freshener. If you're looking to bring a little magic to your daily commute, the Ceeniu Car Air Freshener might be just what you need. Designed to evoke the dreamy scenery of waterfalls and clouds, this air freshener transforms your vehicle's cabin into a fresh, serene sanctuary. The Ceniu's thoughtful design isn't just about appearance. It's packed with practical features that make every drive more enjoyable. At the heart of its operation is the Saiou 5.0 Pro smart chip, which senses vehicle vibrations to automatically turn the unit on and off. This smart mode not only conserves battery life, but also ensures your car always smells inviting without any manual effort. One of its highlights is the dual fragrance adjustment modes. You can easily personalize the spray intervals to match your preference, whether you favor a subtle hint of aroma or a more pronounced, immersive experience. The Ceeniu also offers impressive flexibility with its 800 mAh lithium battery, supporting both USB Type-C and solar charging. Fully charged, it provides up to 30 hours of continuous use. And with the solar panel on board, you can essentially forget about manual charging altogether. Included with the Ceeniu Car Air Freshener are 2 essential oil refills, designed to last up to 6 months under typical usage. The built-in counter ensures accurate spray management, offering around 1,200 sprays per refill. Even better, these refills use 100% natural ingredients sourced from Robertet in France, a globally respected fragrance house. Number 3. Ceeniu 135 ml Freshener. For drivers who appreciate a clean, natural scent that stays fresh for months, the Ceeniu 135 ml Freshener is a standout option. This large-capacity car air freshener is thoughtfully designed for those who don't want to constantly replace or recharge their in-car fragrance solution. Equipped with a generous 135 ml fragrance container filled with 100% natural essences from Robertet in France, it offers both quality and quantity in one sleek, modern package. The fragrance is safe for everyone, including children and pregnant passengers, ensuring your car smells wonderful without compromising on health standards. This freshener incorporates a smart vibration sensor combined with an intelligent chip, automatically switching the device on and off as you enter and exit your car. The simplicity of its automatic operation means you won't have to fumble with buttons or settings while on the move. Plus, you can easily adjust the intensity to your liking using the strong and light mode options. Another noteworthy feature is the built-in pressurized centrifugal turbo, which spins at 1200 RPM to consistently deliver a fine mist of fragrance throughout your vehicle. What makes the Ceeniu 135 milliliters freshener especially appealing is its silent operation. The fragrance is dispersed with a sound level below 35 dB, ensuring peace and tranquility even on long drives. The scent itself benefits from chlorophyll-infused fragrance molecules, promoting fresh, clean air while eliminating unpleasant odors. It even allows for DIY blending, so you can experiment with custom fragrances for a personal touch. To complete the experience, this air freshener includes a serene blue ambience light that softly pulses while the device operates, adding a calming atmosphere to your vehicle's interior. Number 4. Senu CF12 Pro Freshener. The Senu CF12 Pro Freshener redefines the concept of convenience in automotive fragrance. This smart car diffuser is engineered to automatically start when your vehicle is in motion, saving you time and hassle while ensuring your car always smells inviting. Its smart auto start feature pairs beautifully with 3 adjustable scent modes, letting you customize the fragrance level based on your preference or mood. Whether you prefer a gentle whiff of aroma or a stronger burst of freshness, this car air freshener puts you in control. Battery life is another strong suit for the Ceeniu CF12 Pro. Powered by a 700 mAh battery, it delivers up to 60 days of operation on a single 2-hour charge in light mode, making it one of the most efficient air fresheners in its category. The air freshener also comes with a 45 milliliters essential oil refill sourced from Robertet in France, known for their high-quality, natural scents. Designed to last around 4 months under typical usage, this refill ensures you won't have to worry about constant replacements. The fragrance itself is safe for all, including pregnant women, children, and the elderly, giving you peace of mind every time you take a drive. Number 5. Saiou 150 milliliters freshener. If you're after a car air freshener that does more than just improve air quality, the Dseiaiu 150 milliliters freshener is a perfect match. This model is designed to deliver a full sensory experience by combining fragrance, smart functionality, and dynamic lighting. Equipped with a high-capacity 150 milliliters fragrance bottle, this air freshener provides up to 6 months of continuous use, sparing you the inconvenience of frequent refills. Its fragrance is clean and invigorating, evoking the crisp, pure air of a rain-soaked forest without any artificial aftertastes. The Dseiaiu is built with smart auto-on/off technology, instantly activating when it detects car movement and powering down when you park. Its large battery charges fully in just 2 hours and lasts up to 60 days, offering dependable, maintenance-free operation. One of its most distinctive features is the RGB music sync lighting. These smart lights pulse in time with your car's music or ambient sounds, creating a lively, immersive atmosphere that elevates your driving experience. For fragrance control, the Dseiaiu provides 3 spray modes,